you wanna do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go. Bring me down. Can't none bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down. Can't none bring me down. I said, take now. Bring me.
Patulugan na yung baby. Kiss tayo mo, baby. Dalian na. Wow! Patulugan na.
Mommy! Mama, mom.
One more. Mommy!
Mama. Mama, mama.
Ang bayo. Bapakita na kita ding bayo. Wow.
Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? And darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart is still falling hard and straight. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Me, I fall in love with you every single day. I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud. Maybe we found love right where we are. When my hair's all gone and my memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name, and my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you will still love me.
Kay iya pa mao kaldo. Wow, name? Name?
May chicken, tag-egg pa rin.
May carrots pa kag. Guys, give sa. Give sa Rujin. Me. Wow, me. One more. Thank Wow. Open na, open. Wow.
Good night, Daddy.
We love you.
I love you. Ma.
Okay, dito ka, Daddy. Bye.